This is the best C-stand, period. I've been looking for a C-stand for quite a long time. I bought some cheap C-stand and a pretty classic C-stand. And after I got this, I sold them all. I just only need one C-stand, and this is the Savage C-stand. In this video, I'm going to show you why this is the best C-stand. Let's check from the top to the bottom. So, when I lift it and drop it, it got a very strong spring inside, so it won't damage your equipment if you just accidentally fall. Another one is sometimes it may hurt your finger really hard, but for this one, it kind of like a little bit protection here. And also it got a little rubber ring here. And let's check this part. Same thing, but this part got a little bit too heavy, so it's not going to protect your equipment well. But anyway, it got spring and it got the ring, the rubber ring. Let's keep check going down. Here is a very good rubber, I should say, it's foam grip. It's very easy to grip. And by the way, this is pretty heavy. This is the grip arm. So for this grip, it's no big difference to other brands. They're basically the same. And you got a bar. And look at this grip. The magic is here. So you see, I turn the direction. Here, it's like a clamp. This clamp to grab a lot of things, like little pins, or you have a tube LED as a backlight, so you can basically grab them inside this drawer. So for example, if you want to grab a tube LED or anything like this, so you just open it up, you just put that in, and you can change the direction. You see, you can change any directions, and you can grab it really tight. Also, it got rubber pads, so you can have a very good grip on it. Another thing I like it is that this bar, both ends have screws. One is for 1/4 inch, another one is 3/8. Very convenient. You can put the microphones or other stuff on both ends. Let's check another amazing part. Usually you have a C-stand with 3 separate legs, but this one, they change one leg to become a second riser. And this riser, you can change the height actually a little bit, not too much, but a little bit. And they got a pin here. There's a lot of things that you can do. For example, you can put another light right here, or you just put another modifier, reflector, whatever you want to put it on, or even the mic. Also, this one can be removed. If you need it really low, you don't need that bar, just put this one on and screw it. So you got very low support, and actually this is very sturdy because the C-stand and this part, the balanced, it can sometimes as function of the counterweight. So let's check this part. This is genius. They come with a little hook. You can hang stuff. Yeah, you need to hang a lot of stuff. You don't need them to laying on the ground. So this is a very good for hanging things because it's really heavy duty. And let's check this part. This part actually, the function is the storage. You remember that here it is removable, and you can put this one right here and screw on. It's very easy for storage. It won't touch anything, so it's very safe. Also, this one is removable. You see, you can take this apart and put into the package. Also, the turtle base is foldable. How amazing is that? And you just screw it on, start working. Very easy. And this is the paper backdrop. So like this, it's very easy just to put a paper backdrop right on this arm. And also they got this very heavy duty clamp, and you just clamp the paper right here. You see, several minutes, it's ready. I like this set. I got a small studio, the space is limited. After I got this, I found it can replace my other stands. At least it can replace 2 C stands, and maybe 2 C stand and 1 light stands, because it got a main stand, main riser, and got second riser. And the second riser you can put into the middle range or very low. Also, it got a grip arm, so I can put at least 3 things on it. And for this part, for this one, I sometimes put my microphone arm on it, like a screw it on just right here. So sometimes I'm sitting here, the microphone stand will come to here. So I even save the microphone stand. Anyway, this is my most favorite C stand. It serves me very well. The quality is superb, no problem. And they got a lot of genius ideas. And all of them works perfectly for a small studio. So I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.